Bob Fowler here with MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. And I'm standing on a fantastic Grady-White. It's the 251 Coastal Explorer. There's a lot of great things about this boat, but let me just tell you just a little bit about it. You've got a almost 25 foot boat, and you can go skinny fishing in 14 inches of water with this boat. Turn right around, one of the greatest bay boats you'll ever be in, but you can go off near shore as well. The reason for that is that it's got the great Cb2 hull. It's a variable dead rise. There's no angle the same on this hull all the way back. It's one of the softest, most stable, driest rides you'll ever be in. And you know, you can go back here and take the cushions off. You've got standing platform, and back here it is so neat. You can lower these down, the cushions come off. You got standing casting platforms back here. You got storage under every seat with trays. You got a live well here, and as we come up, we'll look at it. It's got the Yamaha 300 on it as well. These seats are so comfortable. I mean, you can't really find any more comfortable than this. And you got your live well here, and again, if you want to take the cushions off, you can. There's plenty of storage on the boat, and you've got a charging system already built in. You can hook up a charger there. And as I said, you got the live well there, and look at this. You got an added live well there as well. You look back over here, this is your battery switch. Also, you've got a flush system. You just plug in the holes with a quick disconnect, flush your motor right from there. So comfortable. You've got, of course, the glass that in case protects you from the wind, from the rain, and you can see everything right here is really well established. Simple, sturdy, sturdy, sturdy. This boat has a lot of options. You've got the same color, the Seaport blue up underneath the hardtop, as well as the hull. Let's walk around here. You've got very nice for a 25 foot. It's actually 24 feet, 7 inches, I think, overall length. You've got a pump out head up here. Under this seat, you have a cooler. And then this has the added option. You can take all these seat backs off and cushions, and you've got a full casting deck. And this deck comes off, puts here, you've got a table, or you can lower it down and you put the cushion back on it, and you've got a lounge sitting here for your feet. So there's just so many things. Right here you've got your tackle boxes. So you've got a great boat for lounging, for cruising, skiing, whatever you want to do with the family, and then great fishing, whether it be flats fishing, bay, or near shore, and even offshore. I've got folks with this boat, they'll go off 30, 40 miles in this same boat. You got the Minn Kota Altera, and this is remote control, and it's got autopilot, all of that. And just wonderful. Let me do this too. I hate to turn my back to you. This again, you got seat backs up here on both sides. I'm 6'2". Look at the room I've got on the end of my feet down here. Just unbelievable. Up there, you've got also a boarding ladder. So if you go to the beach, you got a ladder out the front, ladder out the back. What can I say? It's the Grady-White 251 CE, or Coastal Explorer. And I'll tell you what, we would love to see you here, and I'd love to show you this boat personally. Come get it. We've got great sales going on, and you can't beat a Grady-White. All you got to do is say Grady-White, and people say, oh, it's a Grady. That's exactly right. I'm Bob Fowler here at MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Looking forward to seeing you. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.